Hello friends, welcome to Learning Bites. Today let us learn about some of the creeper and climber vegetables in Tamil. Bottle gourd, Suraikai. Ridge gourd, Pirkangai. Sponge gourd, Melugu Pirkangai. Cucumber, Vellarikai. Bitter gourd, Paharkai. Ash gourd, Venpusani. Ivy gourd, Kovaikai. Snake gourd, Pudalangai. Pumpkin, Pusanikai. Lab or hyacinth beans, Avari. Thank you for watching us. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye friends.